really of where we are and where we're going and how we're going to get there, and how do we have the humans and the AI working together and working side by side. Well, I think that's going to be one of the prize topics.
Um, I'm also aware that this is sort of like Excel when it came in the 1980s, but on steroids. So how are we going to differentiate ourselves as going forwards? Just a few thoughts have gone through my mind in this last week. Vineyard pickers, wine pickers in France, when they brought in automated wine picking machines, he said it was heartbreaking seeing all these old guys sitting by the side of the road with nothing to do, at harvest time. I thought was interesting.
AI activities, but also a large number of POCs. And I think one of the topics that was raised is how do you take things from many POCs to bringing these things into reality. So that's one of the things I'm interested in.
Buy a 486 or do you buy an AMD chip, right? I mean, that's really at the end of the day, the LLM is really a component. It's a component that has additional requirements that need to be met. And so you can define that at the component level of, is this particular language model compliant with
Prompting and how to talk to the machine and how to coax out of it what you want. When Ken said Intel inside or AMD inside, that's no different than an LLM inside. And it's only the people that can put the solutions on top of those processors, on top of those languages, that can make it work. Well, today, you don't have to be a technician. You can just talk to it and tell it what you want and have it help you create it. Let it become your friend. You can be the example of exactly what we're talking about here. You can drive that. At some point, this is the leadership in the Workmesh era, where the CEO is working with the AI and they're using the sail on a sailboat to define the Workmesh and how they plan to go and solve problems together. So I just thought it was fun to put this presentation or this discussion together for you guys this week.